friend Sarah now has just sent this boho style toy net. It is a 60 by 17.7 and it's got little lights on it. So it is super cute. We're actually gonna hang this up in my kids' playroom. So it is a cotton net and it comes with the lights. Looks like you need 3 AAA batteries for those lights. And then it also comes with the hardware to hang them up. So here is your little lights. They've got little stars that will light up as well. So we'll get some batteries and we'll hang that up at the end. And then the net has this nice little coloring on here, some little pastel colors that we will hang up once we get it mounted. So now that we know where it is, we just need to mark out our 60 inches from where we're gonna have it. And then we will get our anchor and put that in. Once we have the anchor flush with the wall, we just take this little hook and we screw that in. So once we got our hooks in, then we just loop this over the end and loop the other one in. And there we've got that on here. And then we have our lights. I've already put the batteries in here and they are so cute. So they have flashing little stars, or you can put it as solid colors. So we're going to rope those across here. So I've just hooked the end of the battery onto here, and then I'm just weaving the lights in and out of this pretty little coloring down here, and then we're just gonna go across the top as well. You can really put this on however you really want to. It just adds that fun little color to it. And then we will call the kids down here to put in some toys. Put your toys away.
Oh, this is pretty. It's cool.